Good morning. We're at 1524 East LeGrande. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. All right, we'll check out this property here. So walk in to the side entrance. Yes, that is a fake spider on the floor. And yes, it did give me the heebie-jeebies when I first walked in and saw it. I can take a lot of things. Spiders are not one of them. Probably not a good business that I'm in walking through these homes like this, huh? All right, so here's the kitchen. This is the side entrance on the kitchen. There's also a front door, which I'll show it to you. So small room here, definitely, right? At minimum resurfacing, but we're probably pulling stuff out here to redo the interior of the kitchen here, at least, you know, from a surfacing standpoint. That's a gas line and electric for a range top. And then water lines over here, which we typically would see for a washer and dryer, and a fridge right here. But I don't see a vent anywhere for the washer or for a washer and dryer. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is the mechanicals room. The description said that they would reinstall the furnace or discuss reinstalling the furnace with a strong offer. So let's just take that as there is a furnace that needs to be installed. Whether they have it and it comes with the house, you know, we'll make that as a part of the negotiation. The water heater here is in newish condition. So, yeah, we could, looks like that's pretty good. It's gas. Probably needs a little bit of work on it. If I'm looking at the vent, the way that the venting is done there, it's a little bit too many bends probably. But with it being located right here next to the washer and dryer, you could easily do a vent out the side of the wall to connect with that. All right, let's go into here, into the main living area. This is your front door. Okay, to the front of the house. All right, so come in looking at this way. You got your living area here. Decent size, a little small, but decent sized. The kitchen again, right here off to the right. There's your return vent for your furnace. The flooring is carpet throughout. Obviously needs to be redone. It appears to be wood underneath it, but can't tell if that's just the subflooring or what that's underneath it. So I would definitely count on a full resurface of the flooring, repainting, all of that stuff throughout the house. Here is bedroom number one. A couple of windows in here, and a closet. We've got a hole here. So probably just, I don't see damage other than, I don't know what the reason for that. Maybe somebody got bored and dug into it, hard to say. The windows appear to be in workable, usable condition. We have the hallway closet, and then the second bedroom here. Not a whole lot to say really about the house. You know, resurfacing definitely on the inside here, but it's small. It's not going to cost a lot of money to do that. Here's our panel. But I'm not seeing any real structural issues, especially if the furnace is in working condition and just needs to be reinstalled. You know, we're definitely seeing some value here. Here is one bathroom. Obviously there's something going on right here. The flooring there pulling away is not really of concern because that's just an overlay of linoleum that's there and a sheet. But that right there, the enclosure. So, you know, probably pulling this out. I don't know, maybe not. You might be able to just patch it, but definitely want to check out what's going on there. All right, that's it. It's really, like I said, it's a small Small house for sure for the inside. So let's go take a look at the outside. We'll start on this side here. Taking a look at the siding on this side of the house. Looks good. No breaches. Roof line on it looks fine. All right, we look around to this side over here. Got a little bit of a breach right there. I guess this is a crawl of some sort. I don't know. I didn't see a basement entrance from the inside. I'll look around the sides here. I'm sure there's something in a closet somewhere as far as access is concerned. The roof, a really small roof just because the footprint is small. Looks to be in decent condition. The vents up there look to be good. So this could have been replaced not too long ago. So as long as the decking and everything's good, probably got another 5 to 10 years worth of life in it. You can see the siding in the back here at the top. Needs some attention. And then we'll go around to this side of the house. As I'm looking through here, again, not a lot to talk about. Just old, but no real breaches that are causing concern to get it going for income producing rental. So now, we clean out the back here, fence it in a little bit. But you got rear parking. You see the neighbors here, and there's a lot of homes around here that have detached garages or something along those lines. So maybe in the future putting something like that, but I don't think it's necessary to get this property to start generating decent income. Definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme on this one, but something that could generate steady passive income and going on from there. You can see here on the front door, the siding there, right? That was pulled away, so that's going to need some attention and repair. I'm not saying, with what I'm saying, I'm not saying you would want to replace all of the siding. Certainly, I wouldn't, depending on what you're going to do. But there's some exterior work, cosmetics that you want to take a look at. That area of the front door right there does give me a little bit of a red flag from sort of a breach in there. You can see the, potential for, a leak or water damage. So we definitely want to take a look at that. All right, be sure to subscribe to the page. Let us know if you have any questions, and have a great day.